This is a 21 1-ton Duramax. Check it out. This is the LTZ package, Z71 with the chrome front end, polished aluminum 20-inch wheels, power folding mirrors. This does have a spray-in bed liner. This one just got dropped off. Full leather buckets. Bose stereo system, seat memory, power folding mirrors, power extending mirrors. Second row heated seats with a couple of USB ports and a 12-volt jack. Under seat storage. These do come with a cold weather cover and a plug-in block heater. Heater plug-in is right down here. This one does have roof marker lights, built-in brake controller, wireless charging station, lots more plug-ins, heated and cooled seats. Let me know what else I can do.